Magnitude 5.9 earthquake. Iquique, Chile. An earthquake of a magnitude of 5.9 degrees, according to consolidated information from the National Seismological Center, was recorded at 1:40 a.m. this Friday in the Tarapacá region. The epicenter of the tremor was located 4 kilometers northeast of Alto Hospicio, while its hypocenter was recorded at a depth of 77 kilometers. In that commune, in addition to Iquique and the town of La Tirana, the movement reached a degree 6 intensity on the Mercalli scale.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.